it's Emily. If you're new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video, I am going to be transforming my bathroom. We just recently moved, and so I am going to be organizing, cleaning, and decorating my bathroom. So I'm super excited. This is kind of like mine and my two girls' bathroom. So I get to decorate it all pink and pretty the way that I like it. This video is going to be in two parts because the first video I kind of showed you the before and went shopping, and the second part was me actually cleaning and decorating it. So you'll notice like the outfit change and everything. Let's go ahead and get started with this video. Okay, so I'm going to show you what the bathroom looks like before, and it's really messy in here because I knew I was going to be doing this video, so I kind of just let it go and decided that I would just organize and do everything whenever I got the bathroom all together. So it looks pretty rough, so keep that in mind. And I thought the messier it was, the more dramatic the transformation. Okay, so I've got some boxes over here in this corner, and this is the bathroom stuff that you see me pack up that I need to unbox. These are some things that I pulled out of the boxes that I've been using, and the bathtub has got toys from when the girls had a bath. So before we get started, I need to go to the store and grab a few more things for my decor in here so that when I get back, I can have everything I need to get it completely done. Okay, so it's the next day and I got everything that I needed, so I'm going to go ahead and get started cleaning and getting everything decorated. sorry that my camera died. I'm not really sure what you all seen last, but I know I was finishing this up, and that was pretty much the last thing that I did. I wiped down the mirror after that, and I think added my trash can. But other than that, I was pretty much done. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you a tour and show you everything. So if we look down here, I used these bins from Walmart. They were $2.88 a piece, and I bought all that Walmart had, and they only had 4 of them. So I bought all 4 of them. I need to get some more organization under here because I've got loose things, but I pretty much got everything organized under here. And I got rid of these boxes. A lot of that stuff went under there. Some of it I still didn't have room for, so when I get more organization underneath of there, then I can add more stuff. But like I said, I bought all the storage things that they had. This little thing here, I'll show you a better shot of it. I got this from Amazon for $10 with free shipping because I have Amazon Prime. And the reason I liked this is because it's yellow and there's a little bit of yellow in my shower curtain. So I thought that was a great deal for $10. And then I got this shower curtain from Urban Outfitters. I just thought it was so cute. So I really loved my white shower curtain, but I wanted something like, I just wanted something pretty and unique, and I loved this because I thought it's still white. It has like the green plants in it, but then it's got this really pretty pink color. So I just love this shower curtain, and I thought it was gorgeous. I got the shower hooks from Target. Then I got this rug at Ross for like $6. It is so cute. It is, I think this is Chanel or cashmere. I don't remember what it said on the tag, but it's really cute. Then over here, you all seen I got these at Target. These came together and this was separate, and I just thought this matched with the light pink and the white and the gray in the bathroom, and I just love these little like starburst things that are in style right now. This is from my old bathroom. I'm not sure. I think I got this pot and the plant from Hobby Lobby. This is from Walmart, and I actually have 2 of these. I got one there and I got one up there, but I need to get a candle go in there. And I have, this is from Big Lots. I found this on clearance for $3, and I just put some candles that I found at Walmart in there, and I got some Meyer geranium hand soap. Since this is my bathroom, I can have a floral one. And this is probably one of my favorite spots of the whole bathroom, is the shelf. So I was searching online for a round shelf, and I actually found this online at Big Lots. And so when I was in Richmond, Indiana, there's a Big Lots there. I went in there just to see if they would have it in stock, and they did. It was only $22, I think, but I thought that was a great deal compared to the other ones that I seen online were a lot more expensive. So while I was at Big Lots, that's when I found this thing on clearance for $3. But I just added some ivy from Hobby Lobby. This thing is from Hobby Lobby. I'm not sure where this is from. I had this in Arkansas. I don't remember where I got it from. This is from Walmart. And this is a little succulent thing from Hobby Lobby. It just adds a lot to the bathroom. So I think that is everything. I also got this trash can from Walmart, just a white trash can, and I got this from Ross. That is it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. I'm sure we will be doing lots of new videos in this bathroom, so make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my new uploads. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!